We are pleased to show you 2012 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, FWD, auto headlight on/off. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.